Alright, y'all can't see anything, but we're gonna put you in here in the cup holder, see what we get on for drone. Hopefully not, but I have a feeling we're gonna have drone. It's not too bad, I mean, but we're only going 20. I got the windows rolled down. Not too bad. I mean, right now I don't have a tip on it, so it's not exactly all the way out the back. It's about half an inch inside the rear valance. So if you know the car, you know that it's, I mean, we shouldn't have that much drone at all, but we'll see. I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, unless I get on it, I think it'd be annoying, but it's not too bad inside the car. Like, I mean, I don't have the radio on at all, so I don't know. Other than that I just put on is a K&N air filter drop-in, filter. So no cold air intake, none of that mess. I don't think on this car it would really matter, especially without having a tune. So we're gonna get it up to, say, up to 55 maybe. Make sure nobody coming. So I mean, initial takeoff and all that, it's not. I mean, and the drone seems more like it's like it's coming from the middle than the back. So maybe that's because it's not taking it outside the bumper all the way. I don't know. So it's 45. Maybe if I set, let's see, set cruise at 50. I mean, it's definitely not that bad. Now, I mean, this isn't really a muffler, it's just a resonator more so than anything else, but at some point I'll get an actual muffler, but for now, I mean, I think it'd be alright. At 45, bearable. You know, I mean, and leaving the factory muffler in the middle, or the two resonators, whatever they are, in the middle of the vehicle, and just cutting the muffler off of the car, it's actually not bad. So this actually, the muffler that I've, or the resonator, whatever it is, the Magnaflow, the deal that I've got on it right now, is actually, where's the driveway? There it is. It actually makes it more like deep, or deeper rather. All right. Yeah, so it's deeper. So it's not Honda, that ricey noise. There's no rasp whatsoever, which there shouldn't be. So for what it is, I mean, as minimalistic as it is, I think it's fine. Now when I drive it tomorrow on the freeway, I got about a 45-minute drive tomorrow. That's when I'll know for sure if it's like, you know, if it's going to be bad, because we've got a trip to Florida in October, and if it's drone in the vehicle really bad, I mean, I had a Caliber SRT4 that was turboed, of course. I had it tuned. All I had on it was 3-inch turbo back, and I had 2 Jones turbine exhausts on it, and a Cherry Bomb glass pack for some kind of resonator, and it was loud in the vehicle. And I had those going straight out the back. So this isn't bad. I'm not used to automatic, so I don't really like the sound it makes whenever it shifts gears. I'd rather have a stick, but hey. So I wish this motorcycle guy would get out of my way so I could drive a little faster, but it's quite all right. All right, we're gonna end it here. You know, I'll run on the windows again. Back windows first. Not really a lot of volume difference. Front windows about halfway, and I can hear the guy's motorcycle radio over the exhaust. So if that tells you anything. Any questions, let me know. Other than that, I'll be doing dual eventually, and hopefully some actual different mufflers. But there it is, guys and ladies.